morning everyone, Dharma here. So today we're going to go to Melaka. So I'm going there for work, but this video isn't about work. I've already bored you about work the last two videos. So then we're going to go to Melaka, and then we're going to go get some good food, see some nice places, and then get some work done, and then we'll head back to KL. Right now, it's 8:08 a.m. Traffic jam is super bad, so hopefully we'll get there in less than 2 hours because we have to be back here by 5 p.m. Junior here has stuff to do at home. So fast in, fast out. See you guys later. So we're in Melaka right now. As I said, we got here by 10 a.m. So right now I'm super hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, let's go get a breakfast first. So we're gonna go to Jonker Street and we're gonna go to this cafe called the Daily Fix. I like going there. It's one of my go-tos when I'm in Melaka. Good food, good drinks. So we'll go there, have some good food, and then we'll go to work. See you guys at the Daily Fix. Petrol prices, it goes up, so be it lah. If it goes down, then good for you lah. Because I look at it in a different way. Like even if our around 95 petrol is high, 2 ringgit 50 cents, it's still cheaper than most countries, right? So like should be grateful for that. So it went down 6 cents. So what might not be a big deal to you, but it could be a big deal for a lot of people, right? This is my other office in Melaka. So this is my staff. She's the operations manager here, Lakshmi.
Yes.
And that's Raji. She's our accounts clerk.
Kita kan?
Huh?
Kita foto.
Take photo. We're doing video.
Oh,
It's for
okay,
YouTube.
okay.
So you're gonna be on YouTube.
And
It's
say
okay.
hi.
Yeah, okay, so it's her birthday yesterday. So okay, come, let's do some work.
Happy birthday to you.
Ooh.
Happy birthday to you.
Sit down.
Happy birthday to
To
Lakshmi. Happy birthday.
So it's 2 p.m. right now. Just got done with some work. So we're back in Jonker Street. You can say like it's my favorite place to eat in Melaka. Gonna go grab a quick lunch with Junior and my staff. I told you earlier, right? It's my staff's birthday, so we got her a cake, and now I'm just bringing them for lunch. And then we're gonna go eat some laksa, get some chendol, and then once we're done with all that, we head back to KL and end the day. See you guys in a bit. Kecil, 2 orang boleh minum. Bagi medium. Watermelon juice, hot weather, perfect drink. You want drink, you want drink. I want to drink, but too full already. Hey guys, we're on the way back to KL now. Just got done with work, so I had a good time. You have a good time?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so we went to Melaka, had breakfast at the Daily Fix, had some pancakes, had some sausages, and then we went to the office, did some work. This work is about the buildings. I wanted to renovate the building, so I told my staff to engage some contractors to go meet the architects and some engineers. You see what needs to be done, what needs to be fixed up, get a quotation. And then from there, we'll see how it goes. After the meeting, we celebrated Lakshmi's birthday, my staff. It's a 52nd birthday, and took them out for lunch. We went to eat laksa at Jonker Street, had some chendol, and then had watermelon juice near Formosa. So overall, it was a good day. Every time I go to Melaka, it's like a cheat day for me. I'll eat whatever I want. A lot of good places to eat in Melaka. So now the sky is dark. It's gonna rain heavily. Hopefully we'll be back in KL in like 2 hours. Yeah.
Can I ask you a side question?
Yeah. What's up?
I see every time you having lunch with us, with the staff and everyone, right? Because a lot of bosses doesn't want to having lunch with their workers or staff.
You wanna know the real truth?
Yes.
I don't have friends. No, just kidding, just kidding. The reason I have lunch with them or have meals with them is because most of the time at lunch we get to speak on a personal level. So like there's no boundaries where I'm your boss, you're my staff, you know. At lunch we just people having lunch together. So sometimes they share what's going on with their life, talk about their family, talk about their friends, talk about your kids, talk about their hobbies, you know. Yeah, I don't want to be the boss that distanced myself from them. So I just have lunch whenever I can with them so I can have a better connection and relationship with them. I want them to be comfortable talking to me, share their problems with me. In the end, when I hire someone to work for me, right, is for them to execute some roles, some responsibilities, and if they aren't able to do it, it's my job to assist them. The second reason is I'm young. I'm only 30 years old. Lashmi celebrated her 52nd birthday just now, right? Khairul is 40 years old, Azim is 38 years old, Aimi is 40 plus as well. So all my stuff, most of my stuffs are older than me. So I have to like gain respect from them also, you know. Why should I work with you? You're so much younger than me. Like what do you know? You know, I have this concern raised before. So to gain their trust, this is one way lah, you know, like they get to know me better, I get to talk to them, share my experiences with them. That's why I don't mind having lunch with them or have dinner with them, you know. And then I'll catch you guys on the next video.